Here's how to update Snapchat on your iPhone. Now, if you currently have Snapchat open, let's close out of the Snapchat app and open up the App Store instead. Now, I'm going to walk you through two different ways to update the app. One is through the App Store, and the second one is a more robust way to update it, but also clear out any kind of bugs or glitches. All you need to do is tap on the search bar at the bottom, and we will just search for Snapchat. Now, once that opens up, you'll be able to see Snapchat here. If it says update right there, just tap on update to get the latest version. However, let's say it doesn't say update or it doesn't work to give you the latest version. There is a second option to update it, but force update it to the latest version and clear out all the temporary files and glitches. To do that, let's head into the Settings app of your phone, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. This shows you every single app that is on your phone. All you need to do is find that Snapchat app, and we're going to choose to offload this app and then just reinstall it. You'll be able to see while it goes through the process of reinstalling it, it will download a fresh new copy on your phone without any kind of bugs or glitches.